What's up mga kabarkada? Nagbabalik tayo sa Roblox Insane Elevator. Naglaro po ako dati nito. Ito po yung second game ko na laro sa Roblox. So let's get some items before we get to the Insane Elevator. Need we this and this. Only that. Let's go. What do you mean stay alive? Okay, go now. Let's go. Back. Oh heck. Oh no. Balik ulit tayo. Balik tayo. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako umano. Guys. Nakakatakot jump boat. Let's go. Oh my god. I thought I would die. Oh my god. I thought I got stuck. Let's go. Go. What is this? Si Peppa Pig ata to. Peppa Pig. Kasi farm. Tingnan tayo sa taas. Oh, tama nga. Si Peppa Pig. Wait, guys. Stuck. Ganyan lang tayo, guys. Oh no. Oh my god, it's Peppa Pig talaga. But it's Piggy, not Peppa. Piggy the Peppa Pig. I'm circling her around. Yes, I survived. Boom. There's music. Let's go. Let's go. Not again. Okay, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna follow the green light. I'm gonna follow this person. Where's the person? I'm gonna follow gray. Oh, bad idea following gray. Oh, there's pizza. Where's the pizza? Oh my god. Wait, what? It's gray. The number's 3 now. Lagot. Ba't kasi ginanon? Oh, ba't ka? Let's go. It's the scary guy with bones. I think his name is Bonesaw or Bone Millionaire or Jonathan Millionaire. I need to get to the pillars. I mean to the statues, not the pillars. I thought these were pillars, but they're actually statues. Oh, English. There's firing. Let's get some more fire to it.
Kailangan natin tagtagin yung mga
Oh no. I'm gonna go to the sword. Bro, just circling him. Prime is just circling him. Oh my gosh. John Doe is I don't know. Is a hacker and the second player on Roblox. That's what I know.
magagawa pala ng block video. Di pa kaya bibigyan.
Dapat habang nagbibigay ka, let's go. No, it's Baldi. It's Terrence. Hi guys. Sabi mo, I'm Baldi. Bald yung kalbo.
Ala? No.
Kala mo yung bastos.
Dati lang yun.
Dati, ano lang daw, bald. Si Terrence, si Baldi.
Guys.
Yun, si Bald.
Ako yung...
Si Baldi. Tapos hindi ka mo.
Subscribe nyo
Si
ako.
Pry.
Subscribe nyo ako, please.
No. Subscribe to my pinsons over there, Sally, and that other one. Nakakaibigan si Terrence. Bahala na. Ble. Ay, namatay pa rin. Oh, tama, namatay ako. I survived 4 floors. We need to survive 5 or plus floors. Ano, anding? Get this again. Let's go. I'm sitting.
Hi guys. Welcome back.
Pwede ka kung saan Oh my god, I was just AFK. My friend was videoing. Because I was AFK. What is this? The troll guy? Or the... troll face pala, not troll guy. Where is he? Ayun, yung buff guy.
Pero magagawa mo tayo solo.
Tago muna tayo dito, guys. I know.
Tapos na po si Kuya Taren.
The troll guy don't see me, isn't? Okay, we need 5 or more. We need 4 or more. Let's go.
Nagkalki naman kayo. Pati ito kagabi, nagkalki lang.
Sabi ni Tito Taren.
My classmate said I will go to grow a garden. He was invited me. She is a girl who has Robux. I have Robux too. But I'm not gonna join her because I'm videoing for you viewers, my subscribers. I love you guys.
Dali, sasabihin ko mo sa'yo.
Yes.
Uli, di ba?
I'm with Gray.
Kulay mo ba yan? Kasi
May kabarkada ulit ako t-shirt tapos hindi pa naman ako nag-grow a garden. O Garden Horizon. Nahulog tayo guys.
Lagi na gamit ko.
Oh heck nice. Siren. It's TB head. That was TB head, not siren head. He was a TB head and with a siren. Siren TB head.
kasi yung ito. Hindi kasi. Tapos ko na yan.
No species.
Titan na kasi Eren. Titan na.
Ito naman ulit. Oh no.
La. La. Parang yan. Tala mo.
Oh my gosh.
Riley, can you eat the
Let's go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no 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 no. Huh? I died. Well, this is the end of the video. Like and share and subscribe. Bye-bye. Sayang po hindi wala po dito si Naina. Bye-bye guys. See you tomorrow or mamaya. Wasyug.